If you want to download Instagram app on Windows computer, I'm going to show you in two ways. First on Google Chrome. So just open the Google Chrome browser and click this search bar and just type Instagram. Search and open this first link and sign into your Instagram account. Or may I just show you, and on the top you can see this install option. Here you can see install Instagram. Click that and click install and just sign into your Instagram account, and that's it. So I just cut this. Here you can see Instagram app icon was added on the desktop. If you click yes, it will save on the taskbar also. So if I just open, it will directly open on your Instagram app. For me, it doesn't sign in, so that's why it shows the login page. If you signed in, it will directly open your Instagram account. That's it. And second way is using Microsoft Edge. First open Microsoft Edge and click this search bar and just type Instagram. Search and open this first link. When you open, here you can see this block like icon. Just click that, install, and tick create desktop shortcut, allow. That's it, it's done. Here you can see if you click yes, it will add it on the taskbar. This is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about Instagram, watch these videos.